Okay guys, so we are gonna go for the tet ride back to Nyung's hometown, Kochi. But first, we need to make a pit stop. Let's go! So first we head to Nyung's granny's place. She's a little sick these days, so just go see her first. We give her the lucky money, the Tet money, and then from there, I think her mom is also gonna come there. And we meet everyone there, and then from there we will head to her actual hometown, which is Kochi. A lot of people wearing red and yellow is considered lucky colors. Same like China, no big difference on that. I think it's to do with, you know, some kind of religious culture thing. I don't know if it is religious or cultural, but yeah. Here we are for the first pit stop. This is where Nyung's granny is. Yeah. Okay guys, so we met Granny, and we are about to go and get some food. Don't know what they are preparing over there. Dio. Okay. Okay guys, so we put some stuff on the back of the bike to go to Kochi. And now we are heading to the market to see if we can get some food before we go. I thought it's Tet and less people on the streets, but this is like so crowded. Okay, so we are moving to go up from Bintan to go up. I think this area is still a little bit Bintan, but after that it's go up. Oh, it's go up already. Just want to let them know that I'm crossing over. Vietnam has a honking culture like India, but I didn't see that in Thailand when I visited recently, but here they do. So just honk when you are crossing them, you know, overtaking them, so they know that you're coming. Otherwise, they might do a sharp turn, or you never know, because there are a lot of small alleys to left and right of the road, so people can turn pretty fast. And when you're coming fast, just make sure they know that you're coming fast and you're coming from behind or from the side or from a U-turn or something. Just let them know. It's the best way to save yourself. Saving yourself matters. Okay, now we're heading to Hokmong. This is still go up. From go up we go to Hokmong, and Hokmong to Kuchi. Get out of the city first. But I'm scared that after city there will be no food. Đừng ơi. Cruise control. Finding food to eat. We need to find. Okay, let me figure out. Just wanna get a bánh mì thôi. Bánh mì đâu? Going really slow. Bánh mì không? Bánh mì, right? Oh, they have pate. I will have pate.
Pate xô hả? Hai cái không?
Hai pate so.
Em 4 cái pate xô anh. You want any bread?
No, just pate so. You have money, right? And can we stop at some coffee shop?
Yeah.
So we can have coffee and pate so?
Okay.
coffee shop, drink cafe, eat potato. Potatoes, they call it potato. I don't know, is that the actual pronunciation? But that's something similar to puffs in India. In India, I don't know what happens. My mouth is so watery because I'm so hungry. So yeah, just like puffs in India, like egg puffs, vegetable puff, beef puff, same thing. It's just that inside this, it's just mincemeat pork. Yeah, pepper pork. That's it. Yeah, I know that a lot of Indians may not consume beef and pork, but hey, I was born in a Catholic family in Kerala, so though I don't follow religion, I can eat literally anything. And a lot of Vietnamese are surprised that I can eat beef and pork, but I love them. I actually love them more than chicken. I'm not a big fan of chicken other than chicken wing. But yeah. I'll park it there. Sit here. That's what I was talking about, the bags. Okay, so guys, we had our coffee and we finished our breakfast as well. So now we head to Kochi. It's Hok Mong already. Okay. Where are my glasses? Is it okay? Yeah, it's okay, madam. I think it'll be fine. Okay. We'll stay. We're free from traffic lights. Okay, just have to cross them. This one? There? Oh yeah, yeah. Here. Where? This one, huh? Yeah, this is Nhung's home. Nhung's previous home. That's your home, right? That was your home. So that shutter there, that was Nhung's home previously. They sold it and moved to Saigon. Alright, let me catch up with the family here.